although you may do your product research and put in some time to finding the winning products, there'll be occasions where you list products but they still do not sell. So it's important not to just take these listings down, because you've put your time in to do the product research, so you really want to try and squeeze as much out of it as possible. And sometimes if they don't sell, then there's ways of re-optimizing these products to give them another opportunity to sell on eBay. So the first thing that you want to look at is when you look at your active listings. So you click on listings and then you see active listings over here. Every single day, if you narrow it down like this, where it says time left over here, you will see that every single day items will be coming to an end. Eventually items will be coming to an end, because when you list an item, you list it on good till cancelled, which basically means the item counts down from 30 days, and once it gets to day 0, it starts again, it relists onto your store. Now when you check this, every day check what items have been renewed, and then check to see which ones that haven't sold. If they've been selling, absolutely fine, leave them as they are, because you've created a winning product over here, so let it just do its job. But then there will be products that haven't sold. So what do you do with these items? These items, you want to go back in and then you want to edit them, and then you see if there's anything that you can add on to there, maybe make a few changes and really make that listing fresh again. So let's give you an example. So say for example, I narrowed this down and it showed time left. It went all the way down to 0, and then it got relisted again automatically, and then the time frame again was 30 days. And say for example, this product didn't sell. So what would you do? So first thing that you do is you go into edit the item, and then you have the edit page open so you can start changing details on the listing. Now also open up ebay.com again, or ebay.co.uk, or wherever you decided to list your item. First thing that you want to do is you want to copy your title and then search for it on eBay. See who else is selling this product and what price they are selling this at. So if I search this exact title, you're going to see that this person is selling it via a sponsored listing over here. This person is selling it for $10.25. This person is selling it for $9.95, and this is actually my store over here, the example that I'm using. And then there's people selling it for $6.99, $8.99. Now remember, you don't always have to be the cheapest, because look at this person over here who is selling it for $10.25. They've got 28 sold. Now look at the difference between that product and my one over here. So immediately you can see that these guys have images that make their product stand out. So this one has various variations over here. This one has variations. My product just has one. This one has buy now, and it has something I wouldn't recommend that, because there's got such small writing you really can't see. So maybe you want to put something like free international shipping, as I showed you in the image editor, or you want to do something different but also add the variations in. I remember I showed you how to edit pictures, so definitely you want to do that. I haven't done it on this listing. Reason being is this is just a test account, and I'm only using this specific product as an example for you guys. So immediately I can see here are some areas for improvement. So you want to go ahead and edit the image, make the main image better, because remember, there's going to be other people selling the same product or similar products, and you want to be the person that really stands out. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and re-optimize the title. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to optimize a title completely from beginning to end. I'm not going to do it in this video. Reason being is I really feel that title optimization needs to be on a separate video, because you're not only going to be using title optimization for items that are not selling, but you're going to be using it as well when you start creating your own unique listings. Then you can use title optimization as well. So I'm going to put a separate video about title optimization, so definitely go ahead and check that out. That will be the next video in this course. So you want to go ahead and edit the image, make the front image stand out a little bit more. You want to go ahead and re-optimize the title, go through all your item specifics, make sure that everything is completed, make sure that you've completed all the item specifics. Then go ahead and check your listing on CJ Dropshipping or Yakify and AliExpress. See if there's any information that you've missed. It's important that to check that if you've missed any information, go ahead and add it in, and then go ahead and add some more item specifics in as well. And then remember, when you change the title, you want to copy the title and then go back and paste it into the description over here to replace this one over here with a new title. And maybe see if there's anything that you can do into the description of this product as well. See if you can fit in as many of these keywords into the description, but also make sure that it makes sense as well. So these are some of the things that you want to do. And then once you've changed the title, once you've changed, made the front image more appealing, you've gone through all the item specifics and everything else, then relist it, or just click save and complete if you scroll down, or update listing, and that will refresh the listing onto eBay, and then leave it again for another 30 days. Now for another 30 days, if it still doesn't sell, then you know what, you've listed this item, you've listed it for 30 days, it didn't sell, you've gone back into it, you've re-optimized it, you've changed everything else, and you've give it another opportunity for another 30 days. If it still isn't selling, then maybe this product isn't for you, and then you can just remove that listing if you wish to do so. And sometimes what I've actually found some people have done is they've just removed, after 60 days, they've removed the listing and then they've relisted it again as a fresh listing, and they've actually found sales. So those are the 3 steps that you want to do. Step 1, after 30 days, you want to review everything, the item specifics, the title, the picture, the description, and then just update the listing, give it another 30 days. And if that doesn't work, step 2 is just remove the listing. And then step 3, what you can do is relist it as a completely new product. Because remember, when you list a new product on eBay, what actually happens is it gets this boost in traffic as a new listing, and eBay wants to give it an opportunity. And one thing I would really advise you to do is, if you're listing on ebay.co.uk, list between 7 and 9 p.m. on UK time. If you're listing on ebay.com, which is the US platform, then list between 7 and 9 p.m. on US time. If you're listing on eBay Germany, then list between 7 and 9 p.m. in Germany. Reason being is between 7 and 9 p.m. is the peak time where most people are shopping online on eBay. And when you list a brand new item in those times between 7 and 9, you're really going to get your product ranked as a brand new listing, as a fresh listing, and you're going to be put in front of the biggest potential audience. So that is a really good way of potentially getting more traffic. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how to do title optimization and how to create a unique title for your product. Let's go over to the next video.